Hello friends, welcome once again to our video. So in this video the question is cement plaster quantity calculation of cement and sand. So in this video we are going to calculate the quantity of cement and sand in plaster. So if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, you can see that there is a shape of wall with cement plaster, in which length of cement plaster is 1 meter and also the height of cement plaster is 1 meter. So now we start here. First of all, we have to assume some quantities, some values, some things in which the ratio. First one is ratio. We will assume ratio that we are using 1:6 in cement plaster. If you are using 1:6, so you can solve this question according to that. You can find quantity, calculate with according to that value. Okay, so in this video we are using ratio 1:6. So next thing we have to assume is plaster thickness, that is 12 millimeter. So we are using 12 millimeter. Keep in mind, for inner plaster you will use 12 millimeter, and for outer plaster, outside of room, outside of wall, you will use 20 millimeter. So we are going to use 12 millimeter in this, and after converting this value you will get your answer in meter is 0.012 meter. Okay, so now we will calculate the volume of mortar. How we will calculate? By multiplying three values. Number one value is length of plaster, second height of plaster, and third one is thickness of plaster. So after multiplying these three values you will get your answer in cubic meter, that is your wet volume. Keep in mind, this is your wet volume and you have to convert it to dry volume to calculate the quantity of cement and sand. So for conversion, what you have to do is just multiply just multiply your wet volume to 1.33. 1.33 is actually the constant value that you use to convert wet volume into dry volume for in only cement mortar. Okay, for cement concrete you will use 1.54. So these two values are constant. So after multiplying these two values, you will get your answer in cubic meter, that is 0.0159. So next step is, this is the main step in which we calculate the quantity of sand. How we will calculate this? By multiplying some values, in which first of all we will write here value of dry volume, then we will write 1/7, and then we will write 1440. Now what is these two values? Actually the one in nominator is the value of a quantity of cement in ratio, and the 7 is quantity of 7 is the sum of ratio. 7 is the sum of ratio, and the 1440 is the density of cement, that is constant value. And so that after multiplying these three values you will get your answer in kg. If you want your answer in cubic meter, you have to just multiply these two values, don't multiply the density of cement. Okay, so and if you want your answer in bags, cement bags, what you have to do is just divide this answer value with 50, then you will get your answer in cement bags. Okay, now we will calculate the quantity of sand. Same as we calculated the quantity of cement, we will use first of all the dry volume, and we will multiply it with 6 divided by 6 over 7, and then we multiply with 35.315, in which 6 is the quantity of sand in ratio and 7 is the sum of ratio. Okay, now what is the 35.315 in this? And actually it is the constant value that we use to convert a cubic meter value into feet cube. So we will use here this value because we want answer in cubic feet. So after multiplying these three values you will get your answer in cubic feet. If you want your answer in cubic meter, just multiply these two values, don't multiply this. Okay, just multiply these two values. So this is the simple video, simple and easy explained in easy way. If you have any question, you can comment it below. And if this video is helpful for you, be sure to like it and also share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.
Everything changes.